Hello mathematics lovers, we're still on addition of decimals. In our last class we talked about how to add decimals. Now we'll see other examples. How can you add whole numbers and decimals? Wow, let's see. Addition of whole numbers and decimals. Let's see some examples like I said earlier. Simplify, number 1, 5 plus 0.527 to 6.2 plus 8 plus 5.3. That's 5.31. Number 3, we have 15 plus 4.689, 689 plus 6.3. Let's see how to solve this. Is it possible? Watch out. Alright, solution. Number 1, we have 5 plus 0.527. In our earlier videos, we talked about whole numbers. And in our last class, we talked about decimals. Now, this is an example, or this is a whole number, and this is a decimal number. Alright? But it's easy to add them. Why? Because every whole number has a decimal part and a fractional part, or a decimal part. Now, this is what we call the whole number part of this number. The whole number part. And this is what we call the decimal part. So what you do here is to add up the whole number part, or rather place the whole number part on top or on the same line as the whole number part of this decimal number. Since 0 is the whole number part here, I put 5 on top of 0. Then what happens to this other side? I'll simply put a decimal point and put zeros in their place, in this place. 0 is the same as nothing. 5.0 is the same thing as 5. So let's add up. 0 plus 7 will give us 7. 0 plus 2 will give us 2. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Remember, our decimal points should follow a straight line. This is our answer. It's quite simple. Alright, let's see number 2. We have more decimals there than whole numbers. Let's see. Number 2, we have 6.2. I'd rather place them directly. Let's see. I have 6.2. 8 is a whole number. I won't put it here. I'll put it under the whole number part, which is 8 point. We have 5.31. I'll put my 5, I'll put my point, 3, and 1. So what happens to these empty spaces? I'll simply put zeros. 0, 0, 0. Remember, my operation here is addition. So I'll put my sign. 0 plus 0 plus 1 will give me 1. 2 plus 0 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 3 is 5. 6 plus 8 is 14. Plus 5 will give me 19. Remember my decimal points? There you go. Alright, number 3, let's see. We have 15 points, because it's a whole number. Then we have 4.689. And here we have just 6.3. Again, my operation is addition. Again, I'll put my zeros in these empty spaces. 0 plus 9 is 9, plus 0 is 9. 0 plus 0, 0 here plus 8 is my 8. 0 plus 6 is 6, plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 6, 15. I put down my 5 and I carry 1 over. 1 plus 1 will give me 2. There you are. As simple as this. Now someone will ask, where did the zeros come from? Why did you just put zeros? 0 is the same as nothing. Okay? Now, since it's, for example, look at this place. This is 7. And when I add my zeros, or when I add 0 to it, it doesn't change it. is still 7. Okay, right. So please try out this. Simplify. Number 1, we have 5.28 plus 6 plus 7.321. Number 2, we have 6.815 plus 14.831 plus 15. Number 3, I have 25.2 plus 30 plus 4.2. Let's see. You can leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching.